welcome. This is your boy Jaystiqs coming at you with another video. So this video is all about a drum fill that you can use and apply to your gospel worship session. Shall we? Enough talking. Let's do the do. So the first part of this drum fill is made of 6 notes. 3 notes on the first tom, 1 note on the kick, 1 note on the first tom again, then 1 note on the snare. And it goes like this. Okay, so second part of the drum fill moves along quite in the same line, because the same thing we played on the first tom, snare, kick thingy, we go do the same thing on the second tom. So 3 notes on the tom, 1 note on the kick, 1 note back on the tom, 1 note on the snare. And it goes like this. So now you can take the first part and the second part and put it together, and it sounds like this. Now that you have that down, what do we need to do? We need to hit the like button. We are trying to get to 150 likes. We're not going to waste too much time. The final part of the drum fill is 2 hits on the floor tom, then you crash. And it sounds like this. Now let's put this in a groove and see what it sounds like. When you're up and about and you don't have drums, you might get some ideas and you need to save them. The Drum Chops Builder app is currently only on Android, but it's coming to iOS very soon. So check it out. Link in the description. When you get to the part where you figured out how the drum fill is, then you stop watching. Then YouTube is like, they don't even watch to the end, so they don't like the videos. No. Please. YouTube is like, nah, man, nah, bruh, nah. You know what? I'm not going to promote your videos. So please watch the video all the way to the end, please. Thank you for watching all the way to this part, if you got to this part. I appreciate you. Have a good day.